Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will basically show you a background removal Canva clone editor that I developed inside HTML, CSS, JavaScript in the browser. So you can basically see it is using FFMPEG WebAssembly library. If I refresh the application, so it runs entirely in browser. If I open with live server, so this will actually start this application. You will see background removal tool. So this is actual simple interface. Here you will actually choose your image file. It can be either JPG or PNG image. So as you select the image, it will show you the live preview of the image like this. So it is running it inside index.html. You will see that it works offline. It doesn't require internet connection, so it works in the browser. This is a great advantage of it. And as I select the image, there is a button out there of remove background. So as you click this button, guys, automatically it will analyze the image, whatever image that you provide here, and it will actually remove all the background of this image and make this image transparent. If I click this button right here, there will be this progress bar which will be there, and after it removes the background, it will actually show the output image on the right hand side, and you can basically see all the background has been successfully removed and you can actually see this image. And there is a actual download button is also appearing. You can simply click this button to actually download the output image, and this image will be downloaded as an attachment. And if you open the output image, you will basically see all the background has been successfully removed and from the edges. So you can just see the quality of the image, and the background is successfully removed. So in this way, this is a complete one page, single page application. Client side, it entirely runs in the browser, and it uses FFmpeg WebAssembly library, and also it uses artificial intelligence to actually analyze the input image and remove the background. And this is, I coded this application in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The link is given, guys, in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code. And after purchasing it, you will actually get a zip file which you can download it from Google Drive. You will actually get this zip file, and this will be the directory structure. There will be the CSS single file, minified file. This is the JavaScript file right here, and this is the index.html code right here. This is actual directory structure. You can simply open this with live server. So this can be deployed to any hosting plan. If you have a real domain name, you can deploy this application, and select your image file, and there is a button out there, and it basically analyzes the image, removes the background, and you can download the image. You can even right click, save this image as well. So you can see that the background is successfully removed. So you can see that the background is successfully removed from the edges. So it is similar to Canva. Canva also has this functionality of removing background from images. This is a complete Canva kind of an image editor which allows you to remove background from images. So it supports multiple faces. If you have multiple persons in the images, let's suppose in this image you can see there are two persons in the image. So it removed the background. If you see the efficiency, you will see it removed the background of this person and also this person. So it supports multiple faces in the images. It is not restricted to only one image. You can see again two persons are there, so again it removes the background. You will see that it's really fast. You can see as I press the button, the process is very fast, and it basically removes the background and it actually shows the live preview. There is a download button as well. So it's the overall complete web application which is coded entirely in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If the link is given, guys, you can directly purchase it from my website. You will actually get this zip file. You can extract it to actually get this source code. So the link is given, and it entirely runs in the browser. You can select any image file. Sorry, it only supports PNG and JPG files, so just make sure it's a WebP file, that's why it doesn't work. So just make sure that you have JPG and PNG files. These are AVI files. These are also not supported. So you just need to make sure that you have images which are PNG and JPG. So most of the images are in the format of PNG and JPG. So just make sure that you have an image which are in the format of PNG and JPG. So you can see that. Let me take my own image. So you can take any image of your choice and it will remove the background. Let me take this image. So you can see this is the actual image, and if I click remove background, so you can see the background is removed right here. So you can see the background is successfully removed right here. So it's a complete editor application, guys. You will see it's really fast, simple, and it has a great performance. Entirely runs in the browser, and which makes it really much easy to for this application to be used. You can see that. So it doesn't make you use any sort of API, guys. It is it is not used any API. It is using FFMPG and artificial intelligence. So it can be used unlimited number of times. That's the advantage of using this web application. It is not restricted because we are not using any API to actually remove this background. We are using FFmpeg and artificial intelligence. So inside this JavaScript file, so this is the actual single JavaScript code that we are using right here. So I just minified that. So this will be minified code, guys. So just make sure that we have minified code which is will be there. So it is actually using FFmpeg WebAssembly library in the background and also using artificial intelligence, the use of AI. It is a nice little progress bar will also there. You can do unlimited number of time. You can remove it. So we are using this library FFmpeg WebAssembly. So this is actually a library which makes it easy for executing FFmpeg library, which is an audio and video processing library, to execute it in the browser in the WebAssembly. So this is their official website. So this is actually a WebAssembly JavaScript library which makes it easy for FFmpeg developers to try this inside the browser. We are using this library to actually make this application. So you pick the image, click the button, and in a matter of second your background will be removed and you will be able to download the image like this. So if you are interested, guys, the link is given in the description. You will basically get this zip file which will actually get this HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. You will get a zip file from Google Drive after you make the payment, and this will be the actual client side, fully client side application which will run. It doesn't require internet connection, guys. This is a major advantage of it, and it doesn't also require server side. It's completely client side which works in the browser. You basically select the image, click the button, and it will actually works offline. And you don't need to go to third party website to actually do a third party editor. It's a fully fast solution to actually remove background from images. So the link is, guys, given in the description. It's a fast, simple and great performance Canva clone image background image removal editor, which is coded in FFMPEG and artificial intelligence. So if you are interested, the link is given, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel.